Hi everyone! So in today's video, we're going to be learning the recipe for chicken pulao. This is a really tasty dish, but it's also incredibly simple. So whenever, you don't want to make something too complicated, this is probably the perfect recipe for you. So let's begin. Okay, so for this recipe, we're going to need 4 cups of basmati rice, which I first washed and then soaked in water for about 2 hours. We're going to need chicken, 1.5 cups of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger paste, 4 to 5 medium onions chopped, and the Laziza Yakhni Pulao Masala. Alright, so our first step is going to be heating up some oil in a large pot. I did about 1 cup of oil. And once that's heated up, we're going to put in all of our chopped onions, and then we're going to let this cook until the onions are dark brown. Okay, so once our onions are dark brown, we're going to go ahead and add in all of our chicken. And I'm also going to add a little bit of water just to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pot, but only a little bit, and I'll do that, every so often. And we're going to mix the chicken and the onions all together, make sure it's all evenly mixed, and then we're going to let that cook for a bit, for a few minutes on high flame. Alright, so now that that's been cooking for a little while, I'm going to go in and add a little bit of that ginger paste, about 2 tablespoons of ginger paste. And then we're going to mix that evenly into the chicken before we move on to the next step. Okay, once we've mixed that evenly, I'm going to add in the Laziza Masala, and then we're going to mix this evenly and let it cook for a bit. Okay, so now I'm going to add in our Indian spices such as turmeric, red chili powder, and salt. I'm adding it as per my own taste, and you can do the same. Okay, so now that that's mixed, we can add in the plain yogurt, and then we're going to evenly mix this until moving on to the next step. Alright, so now that all of the masala is mixed, we can go ahead and add in water. I'm going to be adding in 4 cups of rice. So based on that, we need to double the amount for the water. So we're going to be adding in 8 cups of water. Once I've added in the water, we're going to let that boil. And once it is boiling, I'm just going to give this one last mix. And then we can add in all of the rice. Okay, so now that we've added the rice, you just need to mix this all up and then let this cook on medium to high flame and keep on checking how much of the water is still there. Once all the water has burned out and evaporated, that's when the pulao is ready and the flame can be turned off, and then you can just let it cook and steam for about 15 minutes. So until that point, just keep checking in on the pulao, and once the water is gone, that's when the pulao is ready. Alright, so you can see that all the water is gone, so our pulao is ready, and I'm just going to turn off the flame and let this cook in steam for about 15 minutes. Alright, so I let that sit in steam for about 15 minutes, and now our pulao is ready. So as you can see, I'm plating it, and it came out absolutely delicious. So as you can see, it was very simple, it was very quick, so this is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to make something too complicated, or maybe you're just getting into cooking. I definitely recommend this dish because it comes out really, really tasty and is very simple. Enjoy! Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe for future videos.